Alright, working on a Husqvarna riding mower, pretty well the same as a lot of others. Got a bad Draglink on this one, so there's the new one. And if I can get the camera to look, take it out of the thing here. If you look, right here's the Draglink. See how much plays in that? Well, it's just plain worn out. Time for a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Alright, we're going to take that bolt off right there. I actually think it's 9/6, nope, that's 1/2 inch. I think the top one is 9/16. I'm going to get another ring. Now this one's going to be hard to film, but we're going to get that one inside there too. Alright, just to show you here, a little hard to film, but there's how I kind of have to have it lined up to loosen it. A little hard to get at here. But honestly, you could order your Draglink online, look up the numbers on your off your mower, and then order it yourself and basically change this in your driveway, or you could hire a guy like me to do it. Alright, you can see up close. Matter of fact, this is about ready to come apart. Look how terribly wore that is. So time for new ones, or a new one I should say. Which, let's check out the new one. If I don't drop you. There, check out the new one, nice and tight. Newer style, has a grommet in it, saved the grease in there. It's really good and tight. So let's get this installed. So this one here, the interesting thing is the inside one did not have a lock washer on the bottom, but the front does. So I'll show you where it's gonna go. You kind of have to fit it up in through there and then line it back up, and then line your steering wheel back up to where it was when you took it off. So let's do that, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, there we have the new one on this end. Now come over here, put one lock washer on. Should be able to pull it right up. I need to take my hand here for a second. Nut washer on. Take our 1/2 inch wrench on the bottom here. Now this is going to want to turn. So you want to hold your wrench on there. Ratchet wrench is nice for this as well. And we get that nice and tight. Alright, now let's see how our steering lines. Looks pretty good. Look at the steering wheel facing forward, tires are tight, nice and straight, so we're in good shape. That's how to change a Draglink on your typical riding mower. So thanks for watching. This is G-Mech. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.